Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I want to talk a little bit about branding, and if you're looking to list, especially in the US marketplace, so Amazon USA, the US of A, right? I'm going to walk you through branding, right? So when you list your product on Amazon, it's going to ask you for your brand name. Now, what occasionally happens when you're listing, especially on the Amazon America platform, is you'll get an error that comes up saying, hey, listen, the brand is not approved, all right? So there are ways around it. You can put things like Neil, okay? You can put things like NA, you can put things like no brand or generic, right? You can actually use these terms to get your listing up. You can. However, there are other ways on top of that you can do. When you list your product on Amazon, you can actually, if it's you listing and you own the account, you request a callback. So you basically go to settings, you say, hey guys, I'd like to call back, I'd like to have a chat with you. They'll give you a call back. Usually it is pretty fast. You do need a professional account to do this, not an individual. They'll give you a call back, and then you discuss, hey, I've got a brand name and I want to put my brand name under the brand. So if you're selling teddy bears and you want to have your one's called Teddy or Teddy Doodah, right? All right, let's say for example that was your brand. You want on your Amazon listing the brand to actually say Teddy Doodah. So you just tell Amazon that. You just say, hey, I want my brand here. Now what they're going to do is they're going to say, well, you just need to prove that you own this brand. Now I'm not talking about brand registry. Brand registry is something completely different. That's when you get a trademark. That's when you can add a video. That's when you can add more images and enhance brand content or A+ content, right? This has got nothing to do with that. This is just getting permission from Amazon to use that Teddy Doodah brand. And the reason why Amazon have done this, it's actually a good thing, is to stop hijackers jumping on your listing, right? Because before, let's say for example, I've had Teddy Doodah and I was selling maybe 400 or 500 units a day, and maybe I was clearing a bit of money, right? Then basically, someone else can come up there and call it, Teddy Doodah as well, and start basically selling underneath me, maybe selling bad quality merchandise. Maybe they're complaining about their merchandise, but it reflects badly on me. So basically, that's what hijacking is. But basically, Amazon have listened to your struggles, they've listened to your challenges, right? I've even told them, hey guys, you need to change this whole branding thing to stop the hijackers, and now they're actually stopping it. So speak to Amazon, say, hey guys, this is my brand, all right? Like I said, this is not brand registry, like this is my brand. They're gonna ask you to prove it. So there are ways to prove it. Make sure your logo is on the product. So logo on the product, right? Another way, have a website, even a Shopify, right? Even that's fine, right? Because they just want to see your website up or Shopify up with your brand, with your actual product there. Have your actual logo, your branding, even on other things like Facebook, Instagram, like actually have there to show that you own that brand, all right? You need to prove to Amazon you own the brand, and then after that, it's usually quite fast to get approval for the brand. Now, brand registry is something completely different. There's actually something called, and you want to Google this, right? It's called Amazon IP Accelerator, okay? Amazon IP Accelerator. If you just Google that, it's basically approved. You can do it through Google. You can jump on Amazon. Sometimes it's actually there, it displays it there, but it's approved lawyers where you can get a trademark done expedited. So rather than wait 6 months, 9 months to get a trademark, they're approved lawyers with Amazon where you go through them, you pay roughly $1,200 US, and they'll get your brand approved for brand registry. Now, brand registry is helpful because it gives you brand metrics and analytics. It enables you to kick off hijackers faster. It's also something that enables you to put videos on your listing for extra approval, right? Enhanced brand content, extra HTML blocks, the whole thing, all right? So brand registry is good. Is it needed? No, not really, but it's something later on down the line you can certainly do. But at least keep this in mind when you're listing on Amazon USA. It's really only applicable for Amazon USA, all right? Have a great day. Hope that answers your questions. Don't forget to check out Amazon's website, their help section, because occasionally they do update this sort of stuff. But enjoy your day. Bye for now. See you later.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss, They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.